Today I will be doing the Pantry Challenge. I will be making my dinners from only the things that I have in my refrigerator, my freezer, or my pantry. For my first pantry meal, I have ginger honey chicken wings, some garlic rice, some Jello with whipped cream, and a spinach salad. To start my chicken wings, I have 1 can of coconut milk and 1 can of water in my bowl. I will put 1 tablespoon of my house seasoning. If you want, you can use black pepper, you can use garlic powder, onion powder, whatever seasoning you like. And I'm also going to put about a tablespoon of bulldog sauce in here. If you do not have this, you can use sriracha or whatever hot sauce you like. Then I'm going to whisk this together. I'm going to transfer all of my wings into my milk mixture. All my chicken into my milk mixture. I am going to give this a turn to mix it, and I'm going to let this marinate in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. And every 30 to 40 minutes you want to just move the chicken around to make sure that all of the chicken is submerged into the milk. My chicken marinated for 4 hours. I drained all of the milk off of my chicken wings, and I will lay in a single layer on my air fryer. Now that I have 1 layer down, I'm taking this Mediterranean herb and I'm going to put it on this side. I just lightly want to season it because I will be putting some sauce on it afterwards. Turn them and season the other side. I take my cooking spray and lightly spray the top of my chicken wings. I'm going to put this in my air fryer for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. For my ginger honey sauce, I have a little sauce pot. I'm going to turn it on to medium heat, put about 2 tablespoons of oil in the pot. I have 2 tablespoons of ginger and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I'm going to put that into the pot. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of garlic and put into the pot. I am going to saute this for about a minute or 2. Garlic, my ginger, and my onions have been sauteing for about 2 minutes. I want to put 4 tablespoons of soy sauce and about 6 tablespoons of honey. Mix this well and simmer for a few minutes. Now I am going to pour my sauce over my chicken wings. And I'm going to toss them. I had these 2 boxes of Jello in my pantry. I mixed them together in this bowl, and I have 3 cups of boiling water. I am going to pour it into the bowl, and I'm going to whisk this until all the Jello is dissolved. I have some ice here. I'm going to put a couple of pieces of ice into my Jello and whisk it, and I will keep this process up until the ice no longer melts into the Jello. This may take a couple of minutes. This is the way that I do my speed version of Jello. It does not take as long for the Jello to set up. The way I do this, the Jello hardens faster. You can still do it the other way with just cold water, but it takes a lot longer for the Jello to harden. I'm going to take this and put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. It has been about 45 minutes and my Jello is hard. I want to take a knife and cut my Jello into pieces. You just cut it up however you want. It does not have to be uniform. I have a tub of Cool Whip, and I am going to mix this whole tub of Cool Whip in with my Jello. Just turn it so that it gets incorporated. This is all mixed up and I'm gonna put it back in the fridge. Cover it and put it in the fridge. Start my garlic rice. I am gonna turn a pot on to medium heat and add about a tablespoon of butter into the pot and about 1 to 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And I'm gonna saute this for about a minute and a half. My garlic has been sauteing for about a minute. I have 3 cups of washed and drained white rice I'm going to put into the pot. And I just want to move this around and kind of saute the rice a little bit in the butter before I add my liquids. When you do this, it gives your rice just a little bit more deep of a taste. In my pantry, I have this package of Ginasai seasoning from the Philippines. It is a mixture of onion powder, bouillon, chili, garlic powder, and some salt. I only want to use half of the pack. And I want to mix this well. After that is mixed, I'm going to add 6 cups of liquid. I have 4 cups of beef broth here, and I will put 2 cups of water in also. Now that I have all my liquid in my pot, I want to bring this to a boil. Then I will turn it down and cover it and let it cook like that for about 30 minutes. My second pantry meal is sub roll pizza and mixed vegetables. Start my sub roll pizzas. I am going to cut the sub rolls into half. I'm going to lay the sub rolls on a baking dish. I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. I have two types of cheese here. I have some cheddar and I have some Cabernet Sauvignon. We had this for our Christmas Eve cheese platter. I'm going to shred these two cheeses up for my pizza. To make these pizzas, you can use anything. I'm just using my marinara and some pepperoni, some cheese. You could use olives or you could use onions, anything you like. You just put the marinara sudsy on the bottom. As much or as least that you want. Then put some of your pepperoni. And then put your cheese. I have about a cup and a half of water in my pot. I'm going to turn it to a medium heat, and I'm also going to put 1 tablespoon of butter in it. When this water boils, I will drop my bag of mixed vegetables into the boiling water. To add some seasoning into your water. This is just to taste, and you can add whatever you like to your vegetables.
Just a minute. We'll both.
What I'm trying to do is to boil all the water out of the pot so I can get a little crust on my vegetables. All of the moisture has been boiled out of the vegetables, and I want to continuously stir it so I do not burn the vegetables, but I just get a nice little outside brown on the vegetables. I want to saute them slightly to get a little crust on them. My third pantry meal is chicken sandwiches with fries, and I had enough produce to make another spinach salad. To start my chicken sandwich, I need to make a coating. I'm going to use self-rising flour, about 1 cup. Then I'm going to use some of this Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse seasoning, just a couple of tablespoons. About 1 tablespoon of onion powder and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. You just want to mix this up well. You also want to add some ground pepper. How much ever you like, you can put that much in. This is just to taste. You need to set up a station for dredging your chicken. I have my chicken. I have been marinating my chicken in pickle juice overnight, and I have my coating, and then I have a rack over something to catch the excess flour so it does not make a mess. You just need to take your chicken and coat it well in the flour. Then you want to shake off the excess and lay it on the rack so it can set and rest. You want to do all your chicken this way. I've dredged all my pieces of chicken. Now I want to double dredge my chicken. Double dredging your chicken will make your chicken crispier. I have double dredged my chicken. I will let it set for about 15 minutes so the coating can adhere to the chicken, and I will get the oil ready for frying. I'm going to take my large skillet and turn it on to medium heat. I'm going to take some cooking spray and spray on my buns, and I'm going to toast my buns. You do not have to toast your buns, but I think toasting your buns gives you another flavor to your chicken sandwich. I'm just going to do this to all of my buns. All of my buns have been toasted. I am going to put about a ½ inch of oil into my skillet. I'm going to turn this back on to medium heat and let this come up to temperature. Oil is hot and I'm going to start frying my chicken. You do not want to crowd your pan or your chicken will not crisp up. You want to cook these for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. When they are brown, you can turn them and brown the other side. When they are finished cooking, you want to lay them on another rack and let them drain. I have 4 small potatoes left in my pantry, and I'm going to peel these and make these into oven fries. I'm going to take my potatoes out of the ice water and put them into another bowl. I want to put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil on your potatoes and 1 tablespoon of whatever seasoning you like on your fries. Then you just want to mix these together. I put parchment paper into my air fry basket. I'm going to put my fries on the parchment paper in a single layer, and I'm going to air fry these for 20 minutes. 350. If you like videos like this and you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Just go like back and forth. My second pantry meal is sub roll pizza and mixed vegetables. If you like videos like this and you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.